Hello everyone and welcome back to another day in the life video. We're back at it with more classes this week, but the classes aren't going to start until Wednesday, crazy enough. We have all the way until Tuesday off, so it will be our chance to really get on top of our coursework, make sure that we're back in the groove of studying and everything like that. So I'm going to, once I'm done with a quick walk, taking in the really nice weather that we're having this weekend, going to get my to-do list done, see exactly what I need to finish and what I need to start studying, because we do have our first anatomy quiz that is due by, it was going to be Monday, but I believe it got moved to Wednesday, so I have to make sure that I get some studying in before I do that, just to start off the semester well. But that's pretty much all that I've got for right now, and I'll talk to you guys later. I got some really good studying in this morning and afternoon, kind of starting to go through the arterial supply of at least the abdomen that we've gone over so far. I do still have to take the quiz that's due on Wednesday morning, so that's something that I think I'll wait until possibly tonight or tomorrow morning to work on, just because I can feel my studying battery kind of dropping a little bit. You know, I've already done all of those drawings today, made some really good progress, as you saw, being able to do some of them directly from memory after practicing them a couple times. So that's a really great place for me to be at right now. But I also went through some flashcards this morning as well. So I think I'm going to take a break from studying, maybe do a little bit of cleaning around the house and just relaxing, because I do still have all of tomorrow. Maybe not all of, since I'll probably be celebrating at least in the evening for the 4th of July, just with either some friends or my girlfriend. So I'm going to just take some time to myself right now, and I'll talk to you guys later. Well, I am just realizing that I really haven't talked to you guys in a while, and honestly, it's just because kind of just been going throughout my week, getting some studying done, hanging out with the group. I even got to go to a student interest group specifically for running, as you guys saw, getting to kind of see what exam items are really important for when you're looking at runners from one of our professors who specializes in runners. So that was a very cool experience to get to kind of just see into what exactly is going through their mind when they're evaluating someone that they know is a runner by trade. But outside of that, tonight we are just doing another one of our bachelorette nights that I'll be hosting. So I'm going to spend a bit of tonight making sure that the apartment looks good again and make sure that I do get the last bit of neuro pre-work done for tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be an incredibly busy day, starting off at 9 a.m. in the morning with our neuro lab where we'll be going, I don't know the exact details, but we have to wear clinic attire since there will be some guests there, so we might be actually working with some individuals who do have multiple sclerosis, since this is our multiple sclerosis lab, and we'll just get to have some hands-on experience there. Then in the afternoon, I'm supposed to be having a meeting with my professor that I'm working under for the research project that I'm joining, just to kind of get some of the logistics underway, kind of make sure that we're all on the same page of what to get done. And then I'll go, after having a little bit of lunch in that short period, to go to anatomy lab from 1 until 5, and then from 5 until 9 p.m. I'll be at work. So it's going to be a very packed day tomorrow, so I got to make sure that I get my rest tonight. So I'm going to do that neuro pre-work now so I don't have to worry about anything else the rest of tonight, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow once it's done. Well, that brings us to the end of another video. This week was a really good week overall. We ended strong today with our multiple sclerosis lab, where we did have multiple members from the community come in and gave us the opportunity to kind of think through how we would go through our subjective histories, go into some examination, and actually feel as well as hear and understand the struggles that these type of patients go through. So I was very thankful that we had the opportunity today. I was also excited because in the afternoon I had a meeting with the research team that I'm joining, and kind of have some things that I can start to have as actionable items to start in my process with the research, as well as just finishing up some training. So that's something that I'll work on this weekend and can start getting paid for, which is pretty awesome. But outside of that, just had cadaver lab this afternoon, and then I headed off to work. But now we're all done. That's all that I have for this week. Next week, we're really going to have to start focusing on preparing ourselves for the first exam in anatomy, since that isn't next week but the following week. So I want to make sure that I'm really getting the content down and can start my study strategies earlier on. So if you want to see that, as well as just see more of what's going on this summer semester with lots of our big classes, make sure to check out the video next week. If you enjoyed this one, make sure to like and subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KB DPT, and I'll see you all in the next video.